Hello everyone. In today's tutorial we are going to understand about Python IDLE. To start Python IDLE we will go to search for IDLE. So we are working with Python IDLE 3.8. So this is Python IDLE 3.8. Python works in two modes. One is interactive mode and the second one is script mode. So right now what we are seeing on the screen is interactive mode or Python shell. Interactive mode allows you to type the commands and execute it then and there and see the effect of the command. For example, if I want to add two numbers, I can say a is equal to 25. So we have created a variable a which holds 25, and then if we say b equal to 78, so we have created another variable b whose value is 78. Then if we say c is equal to a plus b, that means we have created a variable c which stores the value of a plus b. Now we can print the values of a, b and c and we can see them. For example, if I say print c, so as we see we have got 103 which is the addition of 25 and 78. Likewise, if you want to print a, value is 25, print b, value is 78. So this is how we can work in interactive mode. We can type the command and we can execute the command then and there. Now for script mode we will go to the file menu and we will click on new file. So it will open a new document or untitled Python file. This is known as Python script mode. So in script mode we can type multiple commands or multiple Python statements as a bunch and we can execute them as and when required. For example, if we say a is equal to 25, b is equal to 78, like the previous we have done in interactive mode, right, c is equal to a plus b and print c. So we have typed four commands. One is to create a and assign the value b. Second one is to create variable c and assign the value 78. Third is c equal to a plus b, which creates a variable c and will assign the value of a plus b to it. And finally we will print value of c. Now so this is our script or a Python program. We can store this program in order to run it. So first we will go to save option. We can save the file. I am saving on the desktop right now, so I can say the name of the file is add. So Python files has the extension .py basically, so we can save it. And as we can see here, where we were seeing untitled initially, now it has been written as add.py. so this is the name of the file. Now in order to run the program we can go to the run menu. You can see the shortcut also. You can also press F5 button to run the module. So when we click on run the module button, it will run the file C drive users, it is desktop add.py, and it will give us the answer because all the statements are executed, and then we got the answer 7103. Now if we change the value, so we have two files here, add.py. Suppose I change the value of 78 to 80 and I can save it. Then I run the file. So this time Python has executed the file and gave the result 105. So there are multiple options in Python shell. which you can set in order to change different options. So here we can see configure ideally. So first you have multiple tabs here, but you generally don't require to change any values. However, you may change the font size so that the things will look better, or you can adjust them according to your eyes, and then you can apply and press OK to it. So the things will get adjusted to the screen according to your preferences. So this is everything about Python ideally. So thank you for watching the video. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.